Hello, my dear students. I hope you all are well. Welcome to Term 2 of Session 2020-21. I, Harvinder Kaur, welcome you all in English Literature class. Today, we are going to start a poem, I Love You Grandchildren, and it is written by Puneet Kaur. Firstly, I will recite the poem and then I will explain it one after the second, third stanza. At home, you people will also recite it and underline the difficult word which you face to pronounce. So let us start. I love you, little ones. Love to hold you when you cry. Love to share your laughter and the twinkle in your eye. I love to cook and clean and love the mess you make. For God gives me the energy to give more than to take. But, little one, will you do me a favor? For I want to live forever. So, give my eyes to someone when I am no more and make it bright for someone. It is not much of a chore. So, let us begin from the very first stanza. I love you, little ones. Love to hold you when you cry. Love to share your laughter and the twinkle in your eye. So, I have already told you that this poem is written by Puneet Kaur. Puneet has written this poem in the memory of her grandmother who passed away around 30 years ago. The little kind lady always talked about donating her eyes after her death, which was not so common in those days. So, let us begin. In this poem, what the poet wants to say about her grandmother that she loved them a lot. She hold them, she embrace or hug them whenever the little ones cry. She always shared their laughings and the twinkling eyes of them. She always shared their laughings and twinkling eyes whenever their eyes twinkle or shimmer with joy. She always shared her love with them. Let us begin the second stanza now. I love to cook and clean and love the mess you make, for God gives me the energy to give more than to take. In these lines, the poet is expressing the deep love that their grandmother is showing to them. She is just expressing that her grandmother loved to cook the delicious food for them and she always cleaned the mess means dirtiness. Okay, she is also praying to God that give her the power so that she can do each and everything for her grandchildren. She just want to give her love to each one of them and she don't want anything except love from them only. Dear students, let us begin the last stanza of the poem. But little one, will you do me a favor? For I want to live forever. So give my eyes to someone when I am no more, and make it bright for someone. It is not much of a core. Core means a difficult task. Favor means a sport and approval. In these lines, the poet is expressing the deep feeling of their grandmother. Their grandmother just wanted to be around even after her death. For that, she wanted to give her eyes to someone. She just wanted to say them that it is not a difficult task. She wanted a favor, a support, and approval from them so that it can make a bright world for someone. Dear students, I hope you like this poem very much. Read this poem, underline the difficult words, and make a pair of the rhyming word. Rhyming words are spelling is different, but it creates the same sound. Do more practice of reading. Thank you. Thank you for watching this video.